Wow, what is it?
Circle each one. Can you make the same sound as the animal on this page?
What sound is that?
A seahorse.
A seahorse.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Where's a seahorse?
What is it? What did you get? Do you like it?
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Cookies.
Do you like this gift?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Kylie.
Thank you, Kylie.
Good job.
I'm open this one.
Okay.
What's inside? What's inside?
I don't know. Let me see who it's from first. You can do it. Use those muscles. Muscles. Okay, let me start it for you. Oh, there it is. There it is. Go, 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 go.
It's a bouncy ball.
Oh no! Wow!
See? It's a bouncy pool.
It's a bouncy pool. That's so cool.
I can see.
You can swim in it.
I'm playing.
Wow.
Uncle Corey, bring it for me.
Yes, that's from Uncle Corey. Look at the camera and say thanks, Uncle Corey.
That's Uncle Corey.
All right.
I'll open it now.
Not right now. Let's open something else.
No.
We can't play in the pool right now. A little bit later, okay?
Okay.
Yes, let's open something else.
How about this one?
Okay.
Oh, I'm trying to get my muscle.
Yeah, use those muscles.
Ah, I got it.
You got it.
This one is starry one.
It's a starry paper.
A book.
A book! Oh, wow!
The muscle.
Who's on the book?
The princess.
And let me see the other book.
The master.
It's jewelry. We're gonna make some bracelets. Yay!
And jewelry.
Yeah, look, that one is from Adriel. Look into the camera and say thanks, Adriel.
That's it, yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
We're gonna make some bracelets, right? And some necklaces?
Yes.
Cool.
Can we do that now?
Let's open the rest first.
Okay.
Okay, go get the other present. Ooh,
Oop.
that's all right. Wow, what is it? It's a book. What kind of book is that one?
Princess one.
A princess one. What else is in there?
Books.
More books, yay! We love books, right?
Yeah, let's pour it on.
Okay. I think the bag needs to open. Come, let me help you. Okay. Okay. Wow! Lots of books. Let me see them.
1, 2. This one is heavy.
That one's heavy. That is a giant book.
It's whoa.
Whoa, it's too heavy. Ooh. This one says The Giant Treasury for 3-year-olds. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This one is from Joshua. Look into the camera and say thanks, Joshua.
Yes, Joshua.
All right. This is the Puss in Boots and the 3 little pigs. We love the 3 little pigs, right?
Yes.
Yes, they huff and puff.
And the wolf house.
And the wolf. Yes, we love the 3 little pigs. Can you not step on the bag, please? Marley. Did you have fun at your birthday?
Yes.
Good job. What was your favorite part?
Present. Ah, present.
All of your presents. I know. There's one more bag left. Let's see what's in that bag, that silver bag. Let's see. What does that say?
Happy birthday to you.
Let me see. This is pretty.
It's soft.
Yes, it's soft. Go get the bag and let me see what else is in there. Photo opportunity for the queen. Wow. This one is from Auntie Kimmy. Auntie Kimmy is gonna take our pictures. Yay!
Yay.
Say thank you, Auntie Kimmy.
Thank you, Auntie Kimmy.
Good job.
Let's open this one.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside.
All right. Tell me about your birthday party yesterday. What was your favorite part? Do you remember?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of the party yesterday? Painting faces?
Yes.
Oh, cool. What else did you like? Did you love the bounce about?
Yes.
Yes. You just want to open the present. All right. Happy birthday, Marley. How old are you now?
3.
Let me see. Good job. All right, baby.
Oops.
There's one more. This pink bag right here. Open it, please. Take it out and let's see.
A shirt.
A shirt. It's a dress. Hold it up. No, put it up so I can see what's on it. Open it. Oh, that's so pretty.
Oops.
Oopsie. Oh, that's so pretty. That's from Uncle Ryan. Turn it around and look at the front. What's on the front?
Heart.
A heart. It's so Marley. Do you like it?
Yeah. Heart.
That's a heart?
Yeah.
What is that? Sign language for heart?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so cool. Do you like it? Say thank you, Uncle Ryan.
Thank you, Ryan.
Okay.
Can I open this one?
All right. No, open it. Let me see.
Oh, this one.
Okay, open that one.
Magic Trick Dora.
Magic Trick Dora.
Yes.
Wow, let me see. We have to get her out that case now. That one is from Daddy. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Wow, let's see. Come, let me see.
And the food.
Okay, go and open the other ones while I try to open Dora. Yes. Oh, wow. What's that?
A big book.
Ooh.
I don't.
We need to cut the bag. Let me cut the bag.
Who opened this to me?
This one is from Grandma.
I can say thank you to her.
Yes, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Oops. Thank you, Grandma.
Okay, let me try and open it so we can see what it is.
And you open this too. Charlie.
It says the reggae band Dolphin Rescue.
Check this door.
Hmm?
Mommy, you have to open the top. Like this.
Hmm. Wait, please.
Can't open it.
Look. It comes with a CD. So we have to put the CD in the computer.
And I can play it.
Mm-hmm. I wonder what's on the CD.
Mommy,
Hmm.
can I buy this one, this one, this one, and this one? Okay, but
This is kind of cool, huh, Marley?
yeah.
And there are 2 of them, 3 of them. Wow. Thank you, Grandma. Okay, let me open Dora. So tell me what happened at the birthday party yesterday.